Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the market crash alert indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify when there are large candles moving in one direction, and it also issues an alert for us when this happens. This indicator consists of two histograms, one green and one red. The higher the value of the green histogram in a candle,
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
the more bullish that candle is, and the greater the absolute value of the red histogram, the more bearish that candle is. We can set a limit input for the size of the candles so that if the candles exceed that size, whether in the bullish or bearish direction, it will issue an alert for us. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the number of candles on which this indicator performs its calculations. And the next option is the candle size that we select so that if a candle reaches this size, it will issue an alert for us. We can set different values for this parameter for different symbols so that it matches the characteristics of each symbol. For example, for the ERUSD symbol, we set the value to 200. You can see that when we have candles whose size is greater than 200, it issues an alert for us in bullish situations like here and here, and in bearish situations like these spots. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.